So guys, I have now installed a motor and the Lego powered up system into the the BrickLink logging railway set, and also this tape. Don't worry about it. It's a modification I made to this motor a while back, and I just haven't really cleaned it up since. This power box I actually took out of the City Express. I'm going to buy another motor again, so this one will also have a motor, so they'll both be able to run simultaneously at one point or another. But at the moment, it's in here. So I had to lube up the side rods a little bit because they kept getting caught. And then also, for some reason, my set did not come with decals, so yeah, that's interesting. I've been running it with these two coaches that I built a while back. This one's from the Hogwarts Express set, and this one's just like a kind of a little narrow gauge coach I made a while back. And there's the caboose on the end with the two men sitting there. And yeah, my Lego layout is just pretty simple. To just run around, loop here, around, back behind my O-scale layout and my keyboard, back around here, and back to here. So, nothing crazy, and it goes right past my end scale layout there too. Yeah. So, without further ado, let's get some shots of this thing running. Let's run the full set here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is a short little train video. Just really proud of the way this turned out. Just wanted to showcase it. You could see I flipped around the locomotive and the sorter tender, but at the same time it's just like an AC unit that's disguising the battery box, the rest of the train. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. It was very fun to make this video, and hopefully I see you guys in the next one. Bye!